Sandpaper and how to use it. With sandpaper, the lower the number, the rougher the paper. So in your pack, you've got 40 grit, 100 grit, and 150 grit. So you could call this rough, medium, and fine, okay? So when you're sanding wood, you want to do all of your shaping and all of your kind of, curvy edges and things like that with the lowest grit. And then we go over it with the medium grit and then go over it with the fine grit. That's the best way to get a super smooth finish you'll be really proud of. When it comes to actually sanding, how do you do it? Well, there's a couple of things that you need to take care of. When we're sanding, these lines here that is the grain, you always go with the lines of the grain, never across it like this, or so it will put scratches into the wood. Now you can just hold the paper in your hand, maybe fold it over and sand like this, but it's not very comfortable. So it's usually better to get a piece of wood and make a sanding block. And you do that by wrapping the paper around a block like this, tear off the excess at the back here, and then you've got a really nice block that you can work with to smooth down the surfaces and get all of your edges. Another great trick is to fold the sandpaper into thirds. So one over like this and one over like this, and that will stop it from slipping on itself, and then you can just hang on to it and do all your edges like this. Have fun sanding.